she gonna get him today.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna do something crazy. My little sister's obsessed with squishies. She's obsessed with slime. Today I decided that I'm gonna fill up her entire room with squishies. We're gonna cover everything up. I don't even know how long this is gonna take. It is currently 12:24 p.m. She gets home from school at 2:30, so I need to get started right now. I'm gonna tell my parents to stall or something. Wait, everything is wrapped. Oh my gosh, I have 2 hours. And then the inside, everything is wrapped again. Are you kidding me right now? How many squishies am I gonna need? Okay, I'm freaking out. I need to call up everybody right now. Like, I need all the help in the world. We bought over 2,000 squishies, so I hope that's enough. These smell really good. I love the smell of squishies. There is so many squishies. Like, I legit am not gonna get through this on time if I don't get help right now. What are you doing right now? I was gonna ask you if you didn't have any of my kids. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I was gonna ask you if you had time. Are you down to like come over and help me with something? Cause I low-key am doing a video that's kind of crazy and I need help like now. Okay, sis. Yeah, like literally right now, like as fast as you can. I have like 2 hours to do this.
Okay, I'm on my way, Dorito.
Okay, girl. Oh my god. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you here. All right. Oh my gosh, okay. Elizabeth's coming with her man. Okay, this is like overflowing. Where am I supposed to put these squishies? Okay. I have never seen so many squishies in my life, ever. I feel like my little sister might actually be really excited because, like, how do you even get mad at that, you know? I have exactly 2 hours to the dot, but then again, she's gonna get out at 2:30. My parents still have to pick her up. This is a lot of squishies. When does it end? Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, this is wild. I literally am never gonna get through these, ever. Y'all should have seen the look on the employees' faces when we got all these squishies. We literally cleaned them out.
We got these donuts over here.
So many donuts, wow.
I'm so glad that's actually a box. I want to dump some.
Okay. No. Are you serious? So many squishies, like I feel like nothing's getting done. Elizabeth! Okay, what's going on here? So, what? Surprise.
I can't. My laptop. Why is there so many squishies?
I decided to fill up Jasmine's room with squishies. She actually always takes the squishies that I buy. Like the ones they have for squishy money, like she's always taking them.
Yeah.
So, since she loves squishies so much, she gonna get them today.
I'm so excited.
This is insane.
Okay, you're crazy.
You're official. I'll buy you ice cream after, I promise.
So did you just call me to help you or what? Where's Peter at?
Well, I didn't know I needed that much help. I was gonna tell Peter, but I think
He's gonna be so triggered when he finds out I'm here helping. I get triggered much.
Oh my god, this is insane. Alright, we're almost done. This is all we have left, which is a little bit compared to all that we've done already. So, I think we're gonna go ahead and get started and we're gonna take some squishies and see how the heck this is gonna happen because, like, I don't even know how we're gonna put squishies together in there, but I guess I need to take a freaking bag of squishies or something with me. Oh my god, I can't even get through. There's like stuff everywhere.
Because there's stuff like on the floor too.
There is a mess everywhere. Welcome to my little sister's room. She kind of has a mess. She has clothes everywhere. I need to move everything out of the way. Oh. Okay. We're bringing in the squishies and we're just gonna start covering. We're gonna cover everything in squishies. So she has some slime over here. She actually has my slime here. Oh, I stand. She has some of my slime here that you can get at Target. Oh my god. Okay, girl. Wait, I just bought this. I literally just bought this at Target like 2 days ago and she's already taking my stuff.
You're gonna mention that.
Oh my god, she's gonna kill me.
Wait, what happened?
I tried to take the never happened. We got Squishy Bunny in the house. What is
Squishy
this?
Bunny in the house.
Oh, this is an old slime.
What is Oreo milk?
Oh, I think it's Oreo milk. It smells
Yeah.
so good. This is actually my old desk that I used to use in my videos, and I handed down to her too. So we got some double-sided tape, and I think it's gonna be a good idea to just like start putting it maybe like here. Just give it a little like boom. I really hope this is easier than I think it is. I'm a little scared. They stick on pretty good. Okay, if you guys start taking them out, I'm gonna start putting tape everywhere. Where did I leave my tape? Oh, this just looks so comfortable. Don't you just want to jump in it?
Yeah, jump in there.
I'm about to break this bed.
No.
Like, okay, no, I'm not gonna jump because I will literally break that. I'll end up on the first floor real quick, sweetie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Ew, her bed is so uncomfortable. I want to sit in this box. Oh my god! Let's try it again. No, this is not happening. It's really comfortable actually. Like, actually, this feels so good. Oh, it feels so good! Girls! It feels so good! I feel like it's been an hour and we've just done this. We covered a bunch of poster boards and squishies last night to make this a little bit easier. So the big things, like for example the TV, like we could totally just like stick this on. Okay. I just called my dad right now and they're eating at Jack in the Box, so hopefully he could stay there a while. What time is it now? It's 3:02, so I'm hoping my dad really takes his time there with the kids and hopefully they spare us another good 45 minutes. We're almost done. As long as we're just done right when they get here, like that's all we need.
We're gonna sit working on a squishy bed.
Like you go around it and then randomly.
This is crazy. I'm like thinking about after, like how are we gonna get all these squishies off? Update. My dad is on his way and we have exactly, bro, stop throwing stuff around. Oh my gosh. We have exactly 10 minutes. He's gonna be here in 10 and this is what we have going on. We're almost done. I feel like we're just gonna start throwing squishies everywhere at this point. This would not be a squishy video if I didn't put my giant squishy in here, so I'm gonna put Penelope over here. She looks amazing. This restroom is so dark. Let me just double check if she could see anything. She can't see this. Okay, I need to go because I think she's getting here.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, my room is full of squishies. Like, what? Emily? Emily, there's freaking squishies in my room. Like, I think it was Karina because Penelope, her squishies in here. No, not like a big squishy in here. Like, there's like a million squishies. Like, they're on my bed. They're everywhere. They're stuck to my TV. Karina! Karina! Karina!
What happened, girl? Whoa.
I know.
Okay, Jasmine.
Penelope's in here.
Why would you say Penelope? It was me.
Don't do that.
Ow! Okay, dude, it was me.
Why?
Cause you like squishies, don't you?
Yeah, but look at my room.
I think it looks really cute.
How am I supposed to sleep in here?
There's a camera right there.
Karina,
What? It's a prank.
why didn't you tell me?
Because it's a prank.
I want to take a nap. You're gonna clean this up.
You're gonna
I'm
take
not.
a nap? You just got home. It's like freaking like what, 4 or 5 p.m.
I'm tired.
Of what?
Of school.
Honestly, if your friends came over, they would be so jealous right now. Whack. I would be having a freaking blast in here if I was like 10. Or how old are you? 10 years old, right?
This is actually cool, but I'm not cleaning it up. Someone else is gonna have to clean it up.
So what now? There's a bunch of squishies everywhere. I don't know, but your friends should be shaking right now in their boots.
They shouldn't. They would not.
They're gonna
like
be
this.
shaking in their boots if they were in here right now. They would be like, "You're the coolest sister in the world."
No. Dang. Jenny, squishy collection is huge.
Imagine that.
Not my squishy collection. His. Shut up.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, I need my squishies back. I need the big ones. So the big ones. Okay. Can you? Okay. Bye. Stop it, David. That hurt, dude. Wait. You're gonna find squishies in here for literally like weeks or months.
Comment down below and see if I should prank Karina because.
Okay, you can't prank me on my own channel, sister. Sorry.
Actually,
doesn't work that way.
I can take your camera.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was so much fun. Literally, I had to call my friends and everything over just to get this done. This was crazy. I don't even know how many squishies this was. It's easily over like 2,000 squishies.
It's too much, but.
Bye. Click that like button if I should prank somebody else next. I think David should be the one. And comment down below your suggestions. Thanks for watching, y'all. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. You can keep the rest though. Oh, Jasmine! Okay, dude, they're actually like heavy. Okay, dude, you're gonna break my neck, sister.